Hey guys, wanna make your videos sound super professional? Let me show you how to easily add a voiceover to your video in Canva. No fancy software needed. Just follow these quick steps and you will be adding your voice to your project in minutes. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to add a voiceover to video using canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. First, let's know what is Canva. Canva is a free, easy to use online tool that lets you create beautiful designs like social media posts, presentations, videos, and more. You don't need to have a skills design, you have just to drag and drop elements to make your project look professional. So let's get started. All I have to do right now is just come back to the top right and you have to start with your sign up by clicking over sign up, and you write your email address and your password. Then you get started with the homepage of Canva. I already have an account, that's why you don't have here button of signing up and log in. By the way, you can also click over apply and you start with Canva. So let's get in started right now. So we have here this page, or this is the home page where you have to create a design. Here we have in the top left create design. As you can see, you can just search for videos, and here we have other options. Right now I will just click over video like that, and I will choose the video that I want. For example, if it's video like that, and also mobile video, we have Facebook video, Instagram reel, TikTok video, YouTube video, video colored, and also we have LinkedIn video ad, Pinterest, and also let's come back, right? So we have other things. Right now you have just to select one of this, or video message. I will just come back right now and I will select the first one. Then you will find other page of design, the template, which is this one as you can see. Alright, so right now I will show you how you can add a voiceover on Canva. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, right now you have just to add whatever you want. Let's just searching for a video like that, and the design like that for video depending to whatever you want. For example, let's choose a video for birthday, for example. As you can see, we have the template, and let's choose for example this one, as you can see. And right now you have just to select also the elements, and you have to add something if you want. For example, you have to delete this one if you don't like it, and you add whatever you want. For example, let's searching for birthday like that, and we'll find here videos. Also we have here photos if you want to add photos, and we have also here this one. Let's delete in this one and make it like our own. Alright, so right now I will just here delete this one, or you can just put it like that, but it's better to put it like that. And also you put it here, as you can see, and here we have it how it looks right now. If you did a mistake, you click over here to come back. And also if you want to add a text, you click over here and you click over add a heading, and you add whatever you want right now. So this is about this. These options that could help you for designing your template. Right now I will show you how you can add a voiceover. Right now you have just to click over share here, and you have just to select download like that. And here we have how we can share this one by just download this template. You have just to click over seal right now, and you have just to click over present, and here we have present. As you can see, you have just to click over present full screen and you present, but you have firstly to present and record. So you have just to click over next, and you have just to record yourself firstly. So let's come back right now and let's go to the uploads right like that, and let's just go to video, and let's just click over record yourself, and you start recording. So let's give it an example. We have record, and we have a 3 2 1, and we start recording. Happy birthday for everyone. I hope everything's doing well. And right now you have just to get it started and with your life. For example, it's just an example, and let's just click over done once you're done. And then I will just click over save and exit, and you'll find your audio here, as you can see. All you have to do right now is just here, click over here, and you put your voice over here. As you can see right now, I will just delete firstly this one, and I will add here mine. Right, I will delete this one firstly. I'll just click over delete frame, and I will just right now put this one here, and I will also here modify the size. Right, I'll put it here as you can see, and here we have it. We have 22 seconds as you can see. And right now you have just to click over share in the top right, and you have just to select seal, and then you select here present as you can see, and then you have to click over present full screen, and you click over present, and here we have how it looks right now. Right, and we start recording happy birthday for everyone. Here we have this one as you can see with our audio
everything's
as you
doing
can
well,
see.
and right now you have just to getting started
All right,
and with
so right now you have just to go to the application. For example, if you want to add something else, let's just click on our application, and you have just scroll down right now, and you select here music if you want to add audio, for example, and you choose the one you want. For example, we have here various audio as you can see. You can just choose here music if you want happy, if you want also Christmas, instrumental, pop, Halloween, and we have other things such as happy birthday. As you can see, I will just select this one, for example, and I will add it right now. Right, and we have here phone add volumes here, and we have here fade and other things. Right, and here we
and we
have
start
happy
recording
birthday like
happy
that
birthday for
as you
everyone.
can see.
I hope
All right, this is how it looks right now,
everything's doing
and
well,
let's get
and right now
started
you
right
have
now.
just
All right, and you have firstly to delete this one, then you add you here an application, the voiceover that you want, if it's music or something like that, so it's related to your template and what you choose. Right, so Canva is a super user-friendly design tool that helps you create stunning visuals and videos with ease. Whether you are adding voiceovers or customizing templates, all without needing any design experience. So this is how it looks with this one. You have just one out to share your template, and you get started by just download it and you share it with your friends or someone who have a birthday right now. Alright, so this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.